Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create cameos on Snapchat. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, it helped me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat and then go to your chats. Now open up any chat and then click on this icon button. Once you have clicked on the icon button, you want to click here on the second one where it says Cameo Stories. Then just swipe all the way to the bottom until you see this new selfie. Just put your face here, click Create Cameos, and now your cameo will be created, and that's pretty much it. Now you have your face everywhere, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe. Also, if you're still having some issues, please let me know what was your issues in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next one.